In this video I will show you how to do screen recording on iPhone. First, let's make sure that this feature is available to us. Open the settings. Find and tap on the Control Center item in the list of settings of your iPhone. On the screen that opens up, in the list of includes controls, find the screen recording item. As you can see, I have it here. If it is not there, add it from the list of more controls by tapping on the plus icon to the left of the item. Screen recording will then become available for use through the Control Center. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, open the Control Center by pulling down on the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, the screen recording button is available and is currently in screen recording state. To stop or start screen recording, you need to tap it once. For more flexible recording settings, you need to tap and hold on the icon. This will open the screen recording menu, where you can enable or disable the microphone by pressing the button at the bottom, disable or enable recording, or choose where to save the new recording in the list of applications. At the moment the recording is going to the Photos application. Thank you for watching.